Hi guys, this is Sharon from Vinyl Touch Creations, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a gift basket strictly from Dollar Tree for a guy who loves coffee, and I'll be adding some more little things. And like I said, this is strictly from Dollar Tree, so if you're on a budget, this is a good way to give someone you know a gift for a cheap price. Enjoy. First, we have this basket I got from Dollar Tree. Then I have this cleaning towel that I got from Dollar Tree. I have 2 bags of coffee. I have some creamer. I have some coffee filters. I have some large gloves for cleaning. I have this foldable key. And I have some, what's it called? PVC electrical tape. They can use this anytime. And a pair of socks, and you can actually get this, I think, like 3 in a pack from Dollar Tree. Yes. Now we're gonna try to put this basket together, so bear with me. So first, I'm going to lay the towel. I'm gonna put the towel in. We're gonna add our 2 bags of coffee. Then we're gonna add our gloves, and you can do it however you want to. This is how I want to do it. Then I'm gonna add the electrical tape. And put this in the bag. Then I'm gonna add this foldable key. Then we're gonna add our coffee filter. Then our creamer. We put the creamer in here, like this. And then our pair of socks. Then I'm gonna put these. I'm gonna hang them on the side, just like that. And right there, you have your basket. And so now, I'm going to wrap it up to make it nice. I have a plastic bag, and I have a ribbon. So I'll be right back and show you what it is. And here you have it, guys. Here's your cute little basket. I'm not the best at making bows, but you know, it's the thought that counts. Thank you for watching, and I hope to make more content with, you know, more basket and different little things that I create. And again, have a wonderful day. Bye.